Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can cancel an order on Doordash. Alright, let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Doordash app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Once you are on your dashboard, tap on the orders icon at the bottom right corner and all of your placed orders will be displayed. Simply tap on the View Order button and this map type page will open up. Now tap on the Help button at the top right corner and select the Cancel Order feature from the bottom of the list. After that, you will be prompted to select the reason for cancellation. Simply select the preferred one and tap on Continue. You can see that my order was cancelled successfully. So that's basically how you can cancel an order on Doordash. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.